I'm Susan. Today is day 16 of Dephemerember, and our prompts for today is packaging, and I've got this packaging, and index card booklet. So I'm going to make a booklet with these index cards. So I hope you're having a great day. Be sure and check out Luise Heinzl's channel and Barbara of 49 Dragonflies. They are the ones who are hosting Dephemerember. And be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember to see what everyone else has made. Oh, I feel so insignificant at times seeing what other people make. But it's been a lot of fun participating. So I hope you'll enjoy what I do today, and maybe I can up my game a little. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is, my little notepad, my little booklet made with packing and with index cards. And I love how it turned out. I think it's so cute. I love the colorful pages, and I like the way it pops against that black of my inside. And I just added a few washi stickers on some of the plain that didn't have the lines on it, just something to kind of break up the color a little bit but still let the color kind of come through to add a little interest. That looks like a bird to me. Eye, beak. But I love how it turned out. I think it's very cute, and I hope it met the requirements. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. And until next time, bye y'all.